STEAMtastic Saturdays in partnership with the City of Opa-Locka, Mayor John Taylor, funded by Carrie Meek and also Team Upward Bound. And we will be doing STEAMtastic Saturdays in cohorts here at the Center Team Upward Bound, also Shabani Park.
Good morning, everybody. This is Mayor Taylor of the great city of Opa-Locka, and I am so excited to be here at STEAMtastic Saturdays, powered by the S.E.E.K Foundation.
We have some ingredients. I want you to get all your ingredients together.
Here we're partnering with City of Opa-Locka, Team Upward Bound, the Carrie Meek Foundation, and the S.E.E.K Foundation are all coming together to keep our children safe through STEM. It is a great program. It's lit, y'all. And if I were you, I would bring your children out so they can experience this. It's every Saturday from now until we tell y'all it's over.
I will be your counselor that is supporting you during your mental health component in this program.
Hi everyone, my name is Fallacy DeRozier, founder of Kids in Touch Academy. A lot of black and brown communities are usually left out, and there's many organizations that's popping up to provide mental health and safety, but S.E.E.K has added the science component to the whole mix, and I am glad that they chose Kids in Touch Academy to bring that SEL component into the community.